It is 4 o'clock in the morning. The moon is still out.
Okay, rise and shine. It is vacation day.
I am up. I need coffee immediately.
Harry, wake up. The airplane won't wait.
5 more minutes. Just 5.
I'm up! I'm up! Are we in Hawaii yet?
Why is the house awake? Humans are strange.
Let me out! I don't like the box!
Okay, team. Bring out the heavy bags.
This one is mine. It is full of books.
One down, 3 to go.
Careful with the blue one. It has the snorkeling gear.
It won't fit. We have a problem. Let's try a different angle. This is luggage Tetris. Aha! Perfect fit. I am a genius.
Good job, Dad. Now don't forget the cats.
Safety first. Buckle up, Dr. Purr.
Good morning. Heading somewhere nice?
Hawaii! We are going to swim with turtles!
If we survive the drive, I hope we didn't forget anything.
Passports? Check. Tablets charged? Check. Cat snacks?
Popcorn says he wants a snack now.
Here we are, the International Terminal.
Good morning. Passports and tickets, please. Here you go. 2 checked bags. 2 pets.
Fingers crossed. Be light, be light.
I'm sorry. The limit is 23 kilograms. It is overweight.
Okay, Harry, we need your help.
Move your heavy books into the backpack.
1 dictionary. 1 encyclopedia. 1 comic book. My back is gonna be heavy now, Dad.
22.5 kilograms. You did it! Perfect!
Here are your passes. Gate A4. Enjoy Hawaii!
All right, let's get these bags checked and head to security.
You two will be fine. Just a little nap until we get there.
Can we get snacks now? I saw a shop with donuts.
Maybe after security, sweetie.
We have about an hour until boarding. Plenty of time for security and maybe a quick drink.
We're almost at security. Everyone stay close.
I can't wait to see the plane.
Okay, family. Security time. Listen to the rules. Rule 1. Electronics out. Tablets in the bin.
Goodbye, iPad. See you on the other side.
Rule 2. Shoes off. Jackets off.
My shoes are off! Look at my socks!
Nice pineapple socks, Bella. Very tropical.
Next person. Walk through the scanner, please.
I made it! No beeps!
Pets coming through. Don't scan the cats.
Cute cat. Have a safe flight. We have 30 minutes. Who is thirsty?
Large coffee for me. Black. No sugar.
Can I have an orange juice? It matches popcorn. And a muffin for me! Please, Dad!
Let's find a seat with a view.
Wow! Look at the giant metal birds!
Look, Dr. Purr. That plane is going to take us to the island.
Big bird. Very big bird.
Popcorn is scared of the truck. He is dramatic.
Look at them. 10 minutes ago they were fighting.
Now they are teaching the cats about airplanes. That is the magic of travel.
Now inviting passengers with small children and pets to board.
That's us! Small children and small pets!
Okay, backpacks on, coffee's in the trash.
Have a wonderful vacation.
Everything's secure, guys. We're almost there.
I am ready. Let's go find the beach.
This feels like a secret tunnel. It echoes.
Welcome aboard. Watch your step, please.
Single file line. Keep moving.
We are looking for row 22. Where is 22? Found it! Row 22! Window seat is mine!
Up and in. This bin is high.
Under the seat you go. Safe and sound. I can see your ankles. I am an ankle inspector now.
Whew. Cozy. Everyone comfortable?
Click. I am locked in.
Listen. The captain is speaking.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff.
We are moving backwards! Goodbye, airport! Look! They are dancing. It is the safety dance.
Here we go. Feel the power.
Whoa! It pushes me back in my seat! The floor is shaking. Most unusual. We are inside a cloud. It looks like milk. Sunshine. We are higher than the rain. Look how small everything is.
Okay. We can relax now.
Psst. Popcorn. Dr. Purr? You okay down there?
Here is a treat for you, buddy.
The snack cart is coming. Get your tray tables ready. Pretzels or cookies? Apple juice or water?
Cookies, please. And apple juice.
Here you go. Careful, don't spill.
I'm starving. Flying makes me hungry.
5 hours passed. They watched movies and napped.
My neck is stiff. Are we there yet?
Bing bong! Cabin crew, prepare for landing. Look out the left side for Hawaii.
Look at the water. It is so blue.
I see land! I see the volcano!
We are going down. My ears popped.
Yawn big, Bella, like a lion. It helps your ears.
What was that? Did the bird drop its legs?
Hold on tight. Almost there.
Touchdown!
Brakes! We are stopping! We did it! We are in Hawaii! Finally! Get me out of this bag! I need to chase a lizard!
Vacation mode on.
Subscribe to Dr. Purr
And popcorn!
for more stories. See you next time.